Hello everyone, I'm Jay.
I'm Val.
And we are in St. Louis, Missouri at the Missouri Botanical Gardens for Chihuly in the Gardens 2023. Dale Chihuly is one of the most important artists in the 21st century. He has transformed glass into multi-dimensional art forms.
Yes, he started working with botanical gardens in 2001. So he has his glass work in botanical gardens all throughout the country and in museums, in over 200 museums worldwide. His artwork is amazing.
So, obviously, you're looking forward to the artwork tonight, Val,
yeah.
right? So come along with us as we Jay and Val around Chihuly in the Garden 2023. So, check this out. This is a vivid lime icicle tower. Look at the size of this thing, first off. The color is so amazing. It is very vivid, right? With that lime color. But it kind of reminds me of like the planet Krypton in the movie Superman, the Christopher Reeves version of Superman, where they had all the crystals, only this is lime green instead. But this is a phenomenal piece right out of the gate.
So hey Jay, look at these. These are burnished amber, citron, and teal chandeliers.
So this is the Fiori boat and the Fiori de Primavera. Check out this boat though. Doesn't it look like it's a boat full of like fireworks? But yet it's all glass. It's so incredible. So this is called the Chihuly Blue Chandelier. So this is called the Macchia Forest. Take a look at this. This is amazing. These are humongous glass bowls. Different colors, red, yellow, blue. It's phenomenal. So check this out. This is the gilded lilac icebana with purple stem. That's the craziest name I've ever heard, but this is a crazy sculpture in itself. Look at this.
So hey Jay, check this out. This is the black and green herons with green grass. It looks like birds among the grass. It's so cool.
Yeah, they're preserved from the world. Yeah, I heard them know before. I think that's cool.
Okay, Jay, check this out. This is the Vermilion and Canary Yellow Tower. Absolutely beautiful.
So this one here is called the White Tower, and it is amazing. And the reason why I say that is because you actually have to walk through a Japanese maze to get to it. It's the craziest thing, and it's the most beautiful thing in the same breath.
So this one is called Summer Sun. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't think the camera will do it justice, but this is like the showstopper for me out of all of it. Everything was absolutely gorgeous in here that we've seen so far, but this one is like, this is my number one.
Yeah, this is another level. The detail is insane. Colors are fabulous, and the skill and workmanship to put this together, I can't even imagine, right? I mean, geez.
Absolutely beautiful.
Check this out. This is neodymium reeds. Wow. And check this out. This is River and Cobalt Fiore. It's beautiful. Alrighty, the Chihuly in the Garden 2023 is over. So Val, did you enjoy yourself?
Oh yes, it was absolutely gorgeous. You will need to be here the whole 4 hours to see everything, and expect to walk to find them all. I know we didn't even make it to all of them tonight, and they're just so amazing. You just stand there for minutes upon minutes just looking at the work. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I was Chihulied tonight. It's also very warm. It's muggy, humid, in the 90s here in St. Louis. So make sure that you are well hydrated. You are gonna walk a lot, maybe even a couple of miles. But we can honestly say it is worth it. Every single sculpture has some sort of uniqueness to it. Color, shape, size, and every single piece has to be seen.
Yes.
So, like Valerie said, expect to use the whole time. And you will definitely get your money's worth. And we highly recommend coming out to the Missouri Botanical Gardens for this.
Yes.
So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'll let you know when our new videos come out and keep you in the loop.
Yep.
We just want to thank you for coming along with us and hanging out and Chihuly in the garden. And we want to thank you for Jay and Valing around with us.